Welcome, happy campers. My name's Amanda here with Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're going to take a look at this 2021 Imagine 17 MKE. First up on the exterior is your outdoor entertainment space. So right here outside of our main door, we're going to see all the area that everything's going to be going on. And one thing you want to notice is this big awning. This awning spans all the way from the exterior door all the way to the end of the camper with a beautiful LED accent light strip as well. But talking about storage, our pass-through storage is fully finished and beautiful. It matches the interior to the exterior, and we have some really nice bright LED lights. But on the other side, we have our utility bay as well as another light on this side. You got your battery disconnect, anything you need from cable, and an outdoor shower connection as well. Right when you walk in, one of the first things you'll see is this beautiful theater seating. It is right across from our TV. Our TV's on a swivel too, so if anyone in the entire room wants to watch TV, we're all gonna hang out, and this is the perfect space to do it. I like the cup holders on the side. Of course, they do light up when you have it connected via power, and then additional cup holders here in the middle, but the other couch transforms into something a little bit different. Our queen size bed. So this bed is awesome, has some great accent lighting, as well as 2 lighting for each person, and they do have a blue light setting just in case you want to stay up or have to go to the bathroom late at night. Each side has a wardrobe with drawers, nice hanging rack, and it is very deep for more storage in the back there. But let's take a look at the kitchen area. Our kitchen is accompanied with some massive countertop space. Our countertops go all the way from here, all the way back here. And there's even a plug back here, so if you want to do a coffee machine or a NutriBullet or anything you got, this would be definitely a good place for it. But other than that, lots of storage. Above the sink here, we do have our control panel. It's a little bit different in this model than others. Usually it's right inside the door. This one is next to your DVD and your speaker system in this camper. Pretty convenient, just a little bit different. We have a 3-burner top stove, normal microwave and hood above, just in case you want to get cooking on your trips. Extra cabinets here in the corner next to our gas electric fridge here. Very spacious and conveniently packed. But as far as dining in this camper, there is not a dinette, but there is a table that comes into the camper as well. This is our table. It matches our beautiful countertops. And this would be the mechanism that slides right here that will extend the table comfortably so you can eat and watch TV. Behind your solid wood pocket door is the one and only bathroom in this camper. Lots of towel storage here on this side next to our foot flush toilet. They even added in some little hooks for your towels and a large medicine cabinet with lots of storage. And the shower is pretty large. I'm again 5'11", almost 6 foot, and I fit very comfortably in here. Has a nice squeegee door that just gets rid of all of the water so you don't have to worry about mildew. And there's even a removable shower head. Do you love this fun little camper? Want to know more? Visit us here at Cookeville RV Marine or visit us online at cookvillerv.com. And don't forget, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment. What do you want to see in the future? But don't forget, at Cookeville RV Marine, your adventure awaits.